Hello and welcome back to this tutorial. Today we are going to have two-in-one tutorial class. Okay, first we're going to learn how to fund our BYBIT wallet, and next we're also going to learn how to withdraw from our BYBIT wallet to any other platform. For today's tutorial, we're going to be using the CBEX platform as our case study. So let's go right in. In our previous tutorial, we learned how to sign up on the BYBIT platform, how to also verify our BYBIT account, and how to get our BYBIT deposit wallet. So let's dive right into today's tutorial. First off, like I said before in the previous tutorial, BYBIT is a platform where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, where you can buy and sell dollars if you want to. You can also use it as a means to, transfer funds from one wallet to another. So we're just going to buy USDT and fund our wallet, right? From here, you can see I have just 0.00, nothing. There's no money. But now I want to put money into my BYBIT so I can transfer to another platform. In the home page, like you can see here, you see P2P trading, you see deposits, you see rewards hub, and so many other things. You can even get a card if you want to get a card on Bybit and use it to buy stuff online. Now click on P2P trading. From here you can see buy and you can see sell. So if you want to buy crypto, you want to buy, let's use the term dollars, you want to buy some dollars and fund your Bybit wallet, you can use the buy option. If you have some money in your Bybit and you want to sell it off, the sell option. Okay, so you can also change currency. So because I'm in Nigeria, it's in Naira, which is my local bank currency. But if I don't want it to be in Naira, I can easily change it to any other currency. I can change it to GDP, GBP. Sorry, I can change it to GBP. I can change it to any other currency. But I'm gonna change it back to Naira because I want Naira, right? Naira. So we are not selling today, we are buying. So click on buy. Now from this buy option, there's so many things happening here. You can choose the amount you want to buy. You can choose the payment methods you want to use. If it's bank transfer, if you want it to be OPay, PAMPay, whatever works for you. You can even filter and say, okay, I want only eligible ads, or I want you to show me only verified advertisers, or show only block advertisers. So depending on what you want to filter, right, you can just check the box. So I'm just going to filter it to show only eligible ads. Now the first option, lean next, this particular one, it's telling me now that I can buy $1 for 1,570.90 naira, but the limit is 300 to 400k, and the quantity of USDT I'm going to get is 400, 402. That's the max that this person is selling. But I don't want to buy this much. I want to just, for the sake of this video, just show you how to fund. If you have a huge amount of money, maybe there's some odogus and odogres here that might want to buy up to 1k USDT, you can go ahead. But this, for this particular tutorial, I just want to buy, let's say like $5, just so you know how it works. So I'm gonna look for the one that can give me between that range. $5 should be like um about 10k max. So I can either use the filter option, or I can keep scrolling down to check. Okay, let's go with Mokhtar 1109. Now this guy is selling for 1,571.35 naira for $1, and he has the option for bank transfer, so I can just transfer from my Naira bank account to his own. and his limit is between 5,000 naira to 9,500. So I can go with this guy because it's between the amount I want to buy, right? So I can now say all. Let me click on all. So this 9,500 naira is going to give me 6.04, approximately 6 USDT. Do you guys understand it? But if I go back, let's say I want to buy more, I can go for this guy's option that is between 100 to 244.5. This real Uza Uzairu. Okay, so I can just click on buy, and if I click on all, you can see it's giving me the option to buy more than the 6 USDT. This option here is telling me that I will receive 155.6 USDT for this price, which is 244,579.72 naira. Do you guys get the gist? So depending on the amount of USDT you want to purchase, depending on your pocket size, is you that know what you actually want. I can refresh and look for the one that is between 4.5 to 9k. Okay, let me go with Swift Exchange. So you just click on buy and all. So 9k gives me 5.7. Of course, we know that dollar fluctuates a lot, so it could go up sometimes, it could go down. Now the price is 1,571. Tomorrow you might come back here and the price is actually lower, or the price is actually higher. So depends on dollar rates at the time of you buying, right? So of course you want to read the advertiser's terms and check to make sure that everything is good. Okay, let's see what this advertiser says. Don't pay me from Paystack or Flutterwave or POS. Don't add narration like BYBIT. Of course, don't pay me from another person's account. Don't add Kobo. Make payment as soon as you order, and yada yada yada. Alright, I think we're good. So I will just click on buy. So the next thing you want to do, I usually like to hi the seller and let him know I want to proceed into buying. Hi, can I proceed? Sometimes I usually write online and they will reply you almost immediately. Other times, you'd have to wait. But most of the time, you can just send this message and go right into making payments. So from here, right, you can see the amount you want to pay, 9,000 naira. You see the price this person is selling $1, which is 1,571 naira. The total quantity, that's how much USDT you're getting for this particular price. So 9k naira gives you $5. Transaction fee zero, order number, and all of that. So next you want to say pay now. So it brings us to the next page. From here now, you can see the seller's account details, and it will show you your own name. You can see my own name here. Please use Keneshko Anrika OKK. So the name on your Bybit has to tally with the name of on the bank that you're using to send the money. It is very important. If you use a third party account, which is another person's name, you have issues with the seller, right? So let's also always be careful when buying or when selling. So I'm going to go ahead now and copy this guy's account number. Then I'll go to my app and send him the money. After sending him the money, I'll come back here and send him the receipt of the money. So guys, I have sent the money to the guy. I will now click on payment completed. Then check, and I'll click confirm. You can see my payment has been completed, right? It's left for me to contact the seller and see what he has said. Okay, he said please drop positive review. Yeah, if I want to, I can. If I don't want to, all right. So most of the time, I still like to send receipt of my payments to the seller, so he just know that yeah, oh, I actually paid you. So receipt of 9K, send. So now I'm waiting for the seller to send me my coin. I will now go back to view my assets. Easy and smooth and fast transaction. I just bought some USDT into my Bybit wallet. Isn't this amazing? So this is another way for you to save your to save funds if you decide that okay, I don't want to save my naira in I don't want to save my money in my normal naira account. I want to save in dollars. So you can buy dollar when dollar is low and save it here. So when dollar is high, you can actually sell and make some profit out of it. Okay? So the next thing we want to learn is how to withdraw this money from this your Bybit account now and send it or fund your CBEX. Remember, I said the platform we're going to be using as a case study to learn how to withdraw funds and send into another platform is CBEX. If you don't know what CBEX is, I have a tutorial class talking about CBEX. CBEX is the surest 100% guaranteed way of trading to make daily profits. I have a huge tutorial on CBEX. In fact, I have an entire playlist dedicated to investing with CBEX. So please go and check it out. All right, now I have to now go and copy my CBEX deposit wallet. This is my CBEX app. This is how much I've made so far on CBEX. So if you're dulling these updates, you're on a long thing. You can either go to the home page, CBEX, you can see it. You can either go to the home page and click on deposits and copy your wallet, or you can also go through assets, click on deposits, and then copy your CBEX deposit address. Remember, the network should always be on TRC20, not ERC20, but TRC20. So I'm going to copy this and then go back to my Bybit. I will now click on withdraw. What we're trying to do is send this 5.72 or $5 into this CBEX platform. You can see here I have 2,591. So I should, after the money has entered here, I should have 2,596 point something. So back to Bybit, click on withdraw, click on USDT, and then now I will paste my CBEX wallet deposit wallet address here. Allow paste. Choose the network as the TRC20. After that, I can click on max, right? So this is the maximum amount I can get, or I can go ahead and say 5.7. But this will not fly. Reason being that I forgot that Bybit used to add $2 charges. So they will take that $2 and give you the remaining one. So obviously I won't be able to send 5, but I can be able to send 3, right? Or if I click on max to show me how much I can send. So I can send 3.7. So obviously this is what's gonna go because they have to take their $2 service charge. So after I have inputted that, I will now click on withdraw. Check this. Make sure that the wallet address is correct. Make sure that you're on the right network. Make sure that you have the right amount. Check that everything is good, and then you click on confirm. Now I'm going to click on get code. So they'll send the code to my email address or my phone number. And then remember I said you must download the Google Authenticator to finalize any withdrawal you want to do. So get code first of all. I'll go to my email and refresh this. Copy, copy this and paste this here. Now paste. Now, please, if you don't have Google Authenticator, download Google Authenticator because you need it to finalize your withdrawal transaction. So I'm just going to go to Google. This is Google Authenticator. I will refresh to give me a new code. I'll just copy this code and paste it here. Allow paste and click on confirm. Withdrawal application submitted successfully. So what next should I do? I'd have to wait for a few minutes for my money to come into my CBEX wallet, right? So let's just wait for a bit. All right, so let's check our CBEX platform. This is it. If I Okay, so now the money has entered into the CBEX platform. You can see it's on exchange, right? Now, the next thing that I can do in my CBEX platform is to take it from exchange and move it to trade so that the money would trade. Remember, I said that it will reflect the money we reflect here is we add up to whatever was in the account before. So because we can't send $5, we had to send three because Bybit had to take their $2 charges, the $2 service charge. So but you can see here that instead of 2591 that we had before, the 3.7 has been added. So we have 2594. So this is just a simple way you can transfer money from and withdraw money from your Bybit account to any other. This could be any other platform, but of course we're using CBEX as a case study. So next thing I can do now is to transform from exchange to trade. And how do we do that? It's very simple. Just click on transfer. It's already on exchange, but if I wanted to move from trade back to exchange, then I'll have to just change it from here. But of course I don't want to do that. I have all of that in another tutorial for CBEX complete step-by-step tutorial. So how much do I want to transfer from exchange to trade? The whole amount. That's what I click on all. So 3.7, then I'll just click on confirm. There are no requirement for transferring from spot account to contract account and yada yada yada. So I'll just click on done and okay. Beautiful. Now the money has been moved from exchange to trade. And now the $3.7 is going to add and it's going to trade to increase and give me more money. So I hope I've been able to teach you. Okay, we're back to 0.00. So I hope you've learned something new today. First of all, how to buy USDT from Bybit platform using the P2P trading, and secondly, how to withdraw your funds from Bybit and fund your CBEX wallets. So the next tutorial will be how to transfer from one platform to the Bybit platform. How to, let's say you have money, like I have money here on my CBEX wallet, how to move my funds or withdraw my funds from the CBEX platform into my Bybit platform, and from Bybit, how to sell my USDT, you know, from with the P2P, how to sell and also get my money into my local bank currency. So stay tuned. If you're loving this tutorial, if you're really learning something new, please do well to like my channel, like my page, follow, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. If there's anything you don't understand in the course of this tutorial from start to finish, please, 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 I will appreciate if you can drop me questions in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer each and every one. Have a blessed day. Ciao.